Hi, I'm Benjamin Roberts, a professional landscape photographer based out of Boerne, Texas. As a photographer, I love to teach and help others grow their skills. That's why I'm so excited to offer this special local photography workshop. This is a great chance for local photographers to improve their craft. The goal is to help aspiring photographers in our area learn new techniques while also making connections with other local photographers. As your instructor, it brings me so much joy to see photographers improving their skills and finding inspiration in nature. This workshop is about learning together in a supportive community. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or a more advanced photographer hoping to refine your specific style, you'll gain valuable insight during our time together. I'll be providing helpful critiques and feedbacks to push your photography to the next level. Let's head out. Let's grab our cameras, make new friends, and create beautiful images. I'm so excited to share my passion for photography with all of you. Space is limited though, so don't forget to sign up today. Hope to see you all soon.